fiberglass laminates for clean room and cold room. This is what the Italian company Brianza Plastica is showcasing here at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. We learn more from Davide Verde, Regional Sales and Product Development Manager of the company. Davide, what kind of products are you proposing here at Gulfood Manufacturing for the Middle East markets?
Well, we came here to Dubai to offer our FRP composite material that we produce in Italy since many years now. And we are here to offer an alternative to what is currently used in the market, like metal sheets, because these products offer many advantages. So we really believe in it. We want the people to know that they can use our product as well as an alternative.
There are specific industrial fields.
Yeah, of course. We work in the cold rooms area already in Europe, in all Europe, especially in Italy. And our target for the market is could be the producer of sandwich panel that you can apply in the cold rooms, or simply the use of the material itself as a cladding. So instead of renovating and dismantling a complete factory, you simply apply this material onto the wall. You glue it, it's really easy installation and really fast. So you're going to save a lot of money with that.
Yes, so let's dive into the main advantages.
Yes, so one of the biggest advantages of this material is that it doesn't rust. So it resists a lot for a long time. And then we have such variety of materials that we can cover all the needs. It means that we have material for healthy environmental, like with antibacterial surface, for example. We have material with HACCP approval for food contact, and also standard material, let's say, for poorest application, let's say, but mainly we can cover all the needs of the market.
And what about the costs?
This is really affordable prices material, so you don't have to renovate and dismantle the existing walls. So this is some more money that you can save in the process. Say the variety of the material that we can offer is really high.
I've also seen that you have several colors, several designs.
Yes, this is because the needs of the market are different. So we want to cover all the needs, and we can offer different patterns. And in some application, we can also offer decorated panels. And this is a complete brand new, let's say, product for the market.
So we can assume that you export worldwide?
Yes, we export everywhere in the world. We export into the United States, where we have a branch as well. We export in all Europe, South America, North America, Australia, Far East, so we have no limits.
Davide, is the first time for you at Gulfood Manufacturing?
Yes, it is. And I hope it's not going to be the last one. So maybe if the business is going well as we hope, we're going to come again next year, because this is it's not only for the Emirates, but this is the central part and crucial part of Middle East. So our intention is to export also more and more in this area.
So have a great Gulfood Manufacturing.
Thank you
to Davide Verdi, and thank you to Brianza Plastica.
Thanks a lot.